There they go. From the outside, Aberfeldy sent off for the early lead. A Fleet Mac, Dark Vader drives up the inside. That's My Rival, Forceful Intention, Guns and Gold, and Right Honorable. Under the line for the first time, a Fleet Mac from the outside by a neck. Holding the fence is Dark Vader, and he's second by a length and a half. Forceful Intention in third. Aberfeldy fourth. That's My Rival. Right Honorable. Guns and Gold on the outside is the trailer, but only 7 off the lead. Opening quarter 22-2. As they race down the backstretch now, a Fleet Mac from the outside by a head. Tucked in at the rail is Dark Vader. Forceful Intention now comes to make a line of 3. Aberfeldy will tip out widest of all. Then 4 lengths back, Right Honorable, Guns and Gold, and That's My Rival. Into the far turn they go, the half, 45-4. And from the outside, Forceful Intention takes command. Forceful Intention, Aberfeldy, a Fleet Mac's had enough. Dark Vader, Guns and Gold, Right Honorable, That's My Rival in 7th as they turn for home. Forceful Intention, but here's Aberfeldy arriving on the scene and going right on by. It's Aberfeldy. Forceful Intention, Guns and Gold with a late run, but Aberfeldy to score. Forceful Intention second, 3-horse photo for third. We have Right Honorable, Guns and Gold, and Dark Vader.